How to fix attempted execute of Noexecute memory blue error in Windows. 1. Run the memory check, mdsched.exe. 2. Update all available device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Repair system files with system file checker and DISM command. 5. Scan for possible viruses using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 6. Install all necessary Windows Update patches. 7. Set 1 to disable anti-spyware at hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows Defender in Registry Editor. 8. Run your Windows in its clean boot to find out the troublemaker, like some problematic software you installed. 9. Perform Windows reset. 10. Find and replace the faulty hardware, if you find.